Hey, I'm sharing my extreme bedroom makeover. If you need ideas and inspiration and motivation to help you with your new look for your new master bedroom, then this video is for you. Let's do this transformation, y'all. Hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to be notified to have more videos. And follow me on my Instagram and my jewelry, Chablee.com. My goal is to do this bedroom transformation on a budget, you guys. So I got this beautiful bed from EVEY and I'm putting it together by myself. So first you're going to need proper screws. I'll put the name of the screws you need and the length and the wood framing, and you just can put the wood together. Oh yeah, that's my little daughter, baby Shadaya, 14 months old. Anyway, she's going to be in the way a little bit, but I hope you guys enjoy her in this video. So there's the screws, wood screws, you guys, not any kind of screws. Home Depot or Lowe's have it. Get at least about 6 of them. Get a drill. I prefer a drill that does not have a cord. This is very tall. Yes, it's very heavy too. So you see my drill right there, just knocked it over, but that drill is the one you want to use. Cordless is the best, and just make sure it's in there really nice and strong, evenly, and that's going to hold up the bed frame. Some people don't use a box spring. I'm going to do a box spring and also the top of the bed for the cushion. So I'm doing 2 mattresses on top, but if you want it low, that can work for this too. You can just do the top mattress. So just lining them up very nicely, and this is actually where I got it from. So you see on your right is the EVEY for $8.50, and I got them down to $7.50. And he is a celebrity, actually. His name is Don. I'll put pictures and images of him for you guys to check him out. And on your left is Wayfair. So I believe it's still up right now and you can still purchase it. They did give it a 4.8 stars. It's not as tall in the back, but at least it's brand new. I purchased it from Don, you guys. You may have seen him in the entertainment industry. He's very handsome, and ladies, he is not single. He is married to her. She is gorgeous, just straight up boss. You guys may know her as Leanna V. Man, she's a really great makeup artist, and she's a YouTuber also. I'll put her link down below. So I hope you guys enjoy looking at my little helper down there. See how she picked up my phone? She's like texting people and stuff. She's only 14 months old, little climber. Because I am pregnant, I'm trying to be careful and not lift this up too much. So I'm gonna use I'm really like doing my squats right now, and I'm really gonna use my legs to push this mattress, like complete it. So I really won't have to use my back no more. And look at my little baby Shadiah. If you guys like her, you could follow her Instagram at baby Shadiah. I'll put it right there. Perfect. So the theme I was going for was sweet luxury, kind of like hotel, five-star hotel style, but very, very modern. Light furniture because the bed is so bulky and massive. I wanted that to be your eye point level, your eye level. So I did sheer white curtains on one of the curtains and then blackout curtains on the other, and beautiful white flowers with a clear vase with crystals inside. And these two side nightstands are gold, and I got them from Ross for only $40. And I put a tray on top of one of them just to make the top a little bit bigger. And these beautiful pillows. I have like two massive big ones, and they're covers too. So the covers come off so I can wash it. They're beautiful. The color theme I was going for was black, gold, white, and gray. Not off-white, but like white white. Just thought that would look more clean. The pillows really tie it in and really brings out the little gold detail that I have for the nightstands. I didn't decide to do bulky nightstands. I already had massive nightstands. I wanted to do really something simple, like I said. And I even did a simple light you see on the right side, and that's from Ross. It was only like $29.99. And I spray painted it gold. It was black. And I love the size of these pillows, and I love the fabric. It's a velvet, and that's the same fabric as the actual bed, and they just really pop. The colors with the gold, gray, and black and white is the theme, and it just looks masculine but still feminine. The room came out perfect, just how I want it to come out. It really feels very warm and cozy. You still get that luxury feeling. It feels like you're in a five-star hotel. That's what I was going for. It's still very modern chic, but it still came out with a flavor of my own personal taste. And I think baby Shadiah loves it, and I love it, and I just can't wait to sleep in this California king size bed. I'm glad that you guys enjoy watching this beautiful room transformation. I'm going to have another room transformation very shortly of a smaller room and making the backboard myself to save money. So give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend, and enjoy your day. Thanks for watching.